Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today we're gonna juice. Fresh juice is the healthiest you can have. And not using electricity when you're juicing is the most equal way to go. Nature's given us beautiful fruit and gorgeous trees that provide wonderful nutrients. I was lucky enough to run through this and get some beautiful oranges and lemons, tangerines, pixies, mandarins, grapefruit, limes, and little teensy pieces of citrus. I don't even know what they're called. Nature's bounty was all around me as I went to a friend's house and picked for this video. If you're a viewer and have a tree in your backyard, comment in this section and let's talk about citrus trees. I've got a bunch in my backyard and I'm able to pick these so that I can juice them fresh. I've used all kinds of juicers in my life. These are great for one at a time, but when you want to get to a full cup of juice, they're just not going to do it for you. I saw this professional juicer on Amazon by Quality Tools and had to get it. It's heavy duty, it's a professional machine built to squeeze any fruit you can throw at it. Let me show you how it works. So cut your fruit in half, put a glass or pitcher under your juicer, and in goes your fruit. And down she goes, and squeeze down. Bring her up and into discards. It doesn't waste any of the fruit, it gets out all the juice. It's high quality plastic, very durable, and very lightweight. And keep going. And it's fun to use and doesn't take much strength. Even I can do it. It juices really fast, so you can make a lot of juice in quick order. You might have a family and want to make a whole pitcher of orange juice for Sunday brunch. So keep going. Check out how that juicer extracts all that juice with one simple press. That's amazing. It's made with enameled iron, so it's durable. I can get every last drop in anything I juice. It makes squeezing juice extremely easy and comfortable. It's got a long 16-inch handle. That gives you a lot of leverage. If you're squeezing all day, your arm's not going to get tired. It has a heavy-duty weight to keep it from tipping over, but I also could have screwed it into a countertop or a wood table. The design is keeping my fingers clean and safe while I operate it. This juicer will juice oranges, limes, lemons, a grapefruit, even a pomegranate. The filter design allows only the juice to get through, no seeds. And it's so easy to clean. You can just put a little water on it. Maybe scrub a little bit of the pulp out with the brush. Super simple, easy peasy. And the same with the funnel. Just like that. It will last for up to 10 years. It has handmade durability. These juicers are thoroughly inspected and tested. It's made of food-grade, FDA-approved steel and iron and uses a design that has over an 80-year proven track record for strength and durability and reliability. It has international quality certifications and it's built to squeeze hundreds of fruits a day. Check out this guy squeezing pomegranates. I find it very hypnotic to use this juicer and to watch people juicing with it. Click the link below to get your Zaksenberg heavy-duty juicer for your home. If you're a gardener and have a fruit tree, you'll use this all the time. It's going to make juicing so much easier for you and so healthy and ecologically friendly. No electricity is involved. Time to taste the fruits of our labor. That's delicious. And you know what I'm talking about because you've probably had fresh squeezed juice in your life. So if you're into juicing, this is a juicer for you. I love it. I wouldn't say that unless I truly love this thing. I'm going to mount mine on a wood table and I'm going to have a bowl of fruit next to it. So me and my friends, anytime we want fresh juice, we've got it. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and let's keep making great recipes in life. Like a recipe for health with a high quality Zaksenberg juicer.